If you are choosing between Twilio and Telnyx, here's a quick, no-fluff comparison to help you decide fast. Overview. Both platforms offer APIs for messaging, voice, and phone numbers. They are designed for developers and businesses that want to build communication features into apps or systems. Telnyx is usually cheaper, especially for SMS, voice calls, and number rentals. Twilio tends to cost more, but offers more bundled services and global reliability. If budget matters most, Telnyx wins. If ecosystem matters, Twilio wins. Features. Twilio has a huge product suite: email APIs, authentication tools, customer data platforms, and more. Telnyx focuses on core telecom features but does them very well, with a strong call quality and network control. Ease of use. Twilio is more beginner friendly with better documentation and tutorials. Telnyx is slightly more technical but gives developers deeper control and customization. Performance and infrastructure. Telnyx owns much of its telecom infrastructure, which can mean lower latency and more stability. Twilio relies more on partnerships, but its global coverage is wider and proven at scale. Final verdict. Choose Twilio if you want the most features, integrations, and easiest setup. Choose Telnyx if you want lower costs, strong performance, and more technical control. And that is it for today's comparison. If you find it helpful, please support us with like and subscribe, and tell me down below in the comments which option will you go for and why, and which one did you try. If you want more about this kind of videos, please turn on the bell icon to get all the new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in a new comparison.